Ever tried to create an ad for a product that doesn't even have an image yet? Or for a highly niche service that's impossible to visualize? It's a painful problem almost every business owner faces, right? General AI video generation tools just can't handle it. They need visual references. But what if there was a secret that allowed you to bypass that limitation entirely? What if you could generate stunning, professional AI ads for literally anything without needing a single image? Today, I'm revealing that secret. I'm going to show you how to leverage a hidden JSON prompt inside Google VEO 3 to create a game-changing workflow that lets you generate hyper-specific, high-converting commercials for even the most abstract products and services. No images required. Stick around to unlock this impossible superpower. All right, so you've dabbled with AI video generation, right? You type in a few keywords and boom, you get a video. But what happens when your product isn't a cat playing piano or a car driving down a scenic road? What if it's a highly niche B2B service, a conceptual software, or an emerging market product that literally has no existing images or footage? This is where standard AI tools break down. Your generic prompt gets you generic output because the AI lacks the specific visual data points it needs to truly understand and create. It's like asking someone to draw a new species they've never seen without giving them detailed descriptions. This is the core problem for countless entrepreneurs, especially those with digital products or complex service-based businesses. How do you get powerful, professional AI ads when you have zero visual assets to start with? And this, my friends, is exactly why Google VEO 3, combined with its hidden superpower, JSON prompting, is an absolute game changer. While other AIs flounder, Google VEO 3 allows you to provide a detailed, structured blueprint for your video. Think of JSON not just as a prompt, but as a complete instruction manual for your AI video. You're not just saying, make an ad. You're dictating the exact description, the style, the camera angles, the lighting, even the specific elements and motion. It provides the granular, structured control that transforms vague concepts into stunning, cinematic visions, even when starting from scratch. No images needed, just pure, precise command. Welcome back. Now for the real secret, understanding the JSON prompt blueprint. This isn't just about throwing words at an AI tool. It's about giving Google VEO 3 a highly structured control language to create professional adverts for anything, even those products without images. Think of it as a detailed architectural plan for your AI videos. The core of this blueprint lies in its key value pairs, which function like precise instructions. First, you'll have a description field. This is where you lay out the essence of your product or service, what it does, who it's for, and its core benefit. For a digital product with no physical form, you describe its impact, its user experience, and the emotion it evokes. Next, style. This is crucial for AI generations without visual references. You're defining the aesthetic, cinematic, minimalist, futuristic, documentary. This guides the AI in creating the overall look and feel. Then we have camera, lighting, and motion. These fields provide granular control over the visual presentation. Do you want sweeping crane shots, close-ups, or dynamic tracking? Is it high-key or low-key lighting? Is the motion slow and deliberate, or fast-paced and energetic? This level of detail is what transforms a generic AI generation into a custom AI ad through precise prompt engineering. Finally, elements and ending. Elements allows you to suggest abstract visual metaphors or concepts that represent your intangible product. For a time-saving app, you might suggest a clock speeding up, then slowing down, or a path clearing through a busy street. And ending ensures your AI video concludes with a clear call to action or brand message. This workflow provides the structured control you need to generate unique content for any brand. All right, you've seen the JSON prompt. You understand its power. Now let's bring it to life inside Google VEO 3. This is where the magic happens. First, navigate to your Google VEO 3 dashboard. It's clean, intuitive, and ready for our masterpiece. See that prompt box? This is where you'll paste the entire JSON prompt we just discussed. Just a simple copy and paste, and all that intricate detail, all that specific structuring for your product without images is instantly loaded. No more vague, open-ended text prompts. This is precise, structured control over your AI video generation. Just hit that generate button. Google VEO 3 goes to work leveraging all those nuanced instructions within the JSON prompt. It's analyzing the desired style, the camera angles, the specific elements, all without you needing to upload a single image of your product. And there it is. Look at this. This isn't just any generic video. This is a fully fleshed out, professional advert for a product that previously existed as only an idea or concept. Notice the cinematic quality, the way the product is implicitly featured, the clear call to action. This is the power of our secret JSON prompt workflow, enabling you to create stunning AI ads even for the most challenging scenarios. This AI tool truly transforms your marketing capabilities. Now, let's talk about refining your JSON prompt and truly mastering Google VEO 3. It's rare that your very first prompt will be perfect, and that's okay. The real power of JSON prompting lies in iteration and refinement, giving you granular, structured control. You're essentially becoming a prompt engineer. First, if your AI video generation seems off, look at your description field. Is it too vague? Add more specific keywords, details about your product's features, or the desired action. For example, if your product is a noise-canceling headphone, but the AI ignores it, add prominently feature new XYZ noise-canceling headphones, showing quiet focus. Next, let's tackle style. If your AI ads lack the right brand aesthetic, dive into the style and keyword sections. Experiment with terms like cinematic, high definition, minimalist, vibrant, to match your brand's voice. This is crucial for niche business owners trying to maintain brand consistency. Common troubleshooting scenarios include the AI hallucinating or misinterpreting your intent. This usually means you need to be more explicit in your elements or description fields. If the product isn't showing up enough, emphasize it under elements and consider a camera shot like close-up on product. For a service-based business with no tangible product, this blueprint still applies. You'll use the description to visualize the benefit of the service. For instance, for a consulting service, your prompt might focus on a successful business meeting, people collaborating confidently, crisp whiteboard diagrams. Remember, every field in that JSON is a lever for fine-tuning AI ads. Don't be afraid to experiment, analyze the output, and adjust. This iterative process is how you achieve truly compelling and targeted AI ads. So, you've mastered the secret JSON prompt for Google VEO 3. But what does this mean for your bottom line? This isn't just about creating pretty AI videos. It's about unlocking a new AI ad superpower. Imagine the demand for agencies that can produce stunning, bespoke, professional adverts for any client, even those with tricky products without images or niche service-based business offerings. You can offer this as a high-value service, charge premium rates, or even sell AI video generation templates based on this advanced workflow. Think about the digital products market, indie creators or small businesses struggling to get visual. Your new skill provides a critical blueprint for their success. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about competitive advantage and serious monetization. And there you have it, your complete blueprint to leverage Google VEO 3 for creating stunning AI ads. even for products without existing images. We've demystified the power of JSON prompting, giving you the kind of structured control that transforms vague ideas into professional, cinematic commercials. This isn't just about generating AI videos. It's about crafting professional adverts that convert. If you're ready to take your AI video generation to the next level and avoid the guesswork, this workflow is your secret weapon. For the full JSON prompt we discussed today, along with additional guides and templates, click the link in the description below. It's your shortcut to mastering prompt engineering and unlocking truly unique AI generations. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more advanced AI tool tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into cutting-edge AI for digital products and service-based business needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.